See, look, and watch. What's the difference? Have you ever wondered why we say see a bird, look at a painting, or watch a movie? They all seem very similar, but they are actually super different. Today, we are going to break them down in a fun and easy way. Let's dive in. So, first up, see. This is all about noticing something without really focusing on it. Okay? If you see something, you just notice something without really focusing on it, without paying attention on it. So, for example, you are walking in the park and you see a dog. You didn't plan to see that dog. You didn't plan to notice that dog. You just saw it. You just noticed it. It just happened. You just happened to see that dog. It's very simple. So, pause this video and look around you. What's the first thing you see? Let me know in the comment. So for me, I see a mirror, I see a book. So see, very simple. Next, we have look. This is when you intentionally focus your eyes on something. Let me tell you again. When you look something, you intentionally focus your eyes on something. Intentionally, you look something on purpose. For example, if somebody says, look at that cute dog, huh? You look at that dog, you turn your head toward it to observe it. That means you do that action on purpose. You do that intentionally. So that means you are looking. You are looking at that dog. Okay? So imagine your friend shows you a funny photo. They are not just saying, see this photo. They are saying, look at this photo because they want you to focus on that photo. You need to look intentionally. You need to look on purpose. Okay? You need to pay attention to that to look at that photo. So, at the time, you look. Finally, we have watch. What does watch mean? Very simple. This is when you observe something carefully, usually for a period of time. When you watch something, you observe something carefully, usually for a period of time. For example, you watch a movie, you watch a soccer game, or maybe you watch a kid running around the park. Okay, so this is all about paying attention to what's happening for a while. That's why we don't say, I am seeing a movie. We don't say that. Instead, we say, I am watching a movie. I am watching a soccer game. Because movies, soccer games, they require your attention for a while. Okay, so this is watch. If you watch something, you pay attention to what's happening over there for a period of time. You got it. And that's it. So now you know the difference between see, look, and watch. Keep practicing, and soon it'll feel supernatural. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.